Hi guys, welcome to Vicky's vlog. Actually, welcome again. Welcome back to Vicky's vlog. For this is your personal vlogger. Tomorrow, I'm just gonna start my journey once again to show you different places, travel around different uh, regions which you might be interested in. So before starting that particular journey, I just want to shoot a sort of a welcome, sort of a video. So here I am shooting this. Welcome guys, welcome back to Vicky's vlog. For this is your personal vlogger. But before I could start off right, pardon me, I'm gonna speak something in Tamil, and this is sort of a wish. இனிய பிளவு வருட நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள் அனைத்து தமிழர்களுக்கும், and also to all the people who are celebrating their New Year's today, including my friends and my fellow Indians from Kerala, Central India, everyone who are celebrating their New Year today. A Happy New Year, folks. A Happy New Year to you, your family, and all your friends. Hope you have a really great year. And yes, right now I am going into my journey. Where is it? Well, this is a place called Inji Made. So what is so special about this? Let's take a look. Actually, this place is at, like, I won't say this is the 130 kilometer Chennai ilirundu. I won't say like that. The reason being that it differs based on the place that you stay at. So if I say Chennai ilirundu 130 kilometer, 130 kilometers from Chennai, it means that I can't fix a particular spot. It could be based on where you are. So I would rather say that it is at an approximate distance of around 140 to 160 kilometers from where you might stay in Chennai. This follows a route via Vandavasi. So Vandavasi, wherever you go, from there it's like few kilometers. So it is an easy access from there. So what makes this place so special? Well, most of the people who went there and performed a sort of like offering to the god, whatever they prayed for, it happened before the next Amavasai day that came up. This happened in my close family circle as well, so that's the reason why I'm actually starting off my Vicky's vlog season 2 from this particular place. So what is the history behind it? Initially, during the war between Lord Ram and Lankeshwaran Ravana, Lord Ram was not able to defeat Ravana, so he performed a small yajna or a sort of a homam at this particular place along with Lord Hanuman. So Lakshmi Narasimhar came up before him and gave him some ideas. So based on that, he won the war. So this particular place was called Yagnya Meda, which later came up as Inji Meda. And people who visited there, right, even in my family circle, stated that whatever they wished for did happen. Of course, their efforts were involved, but a sort of a positive push actually happened in their family as well. So visit this place, guys. Tomorrow I am gonna start for this particular place, and I'll continue my vlog from there. Do stay tuned. It's a bright new day, and it's around like 5:30, 5:40 a.m. in the morning out here. So I am gonna start. So let's see how this pans out. The route that I'm gonna follow is like I'll reach Vandavasi from here, and from there it's nearby. I heard. I've not yet went to that particular temple. So I'll go there, visit the temple, and I'll let you know how it is, and also like put up a video or photos from there. Certainly the videos from there would be there available, but not from inside the temple. But let's see. And also regarding the route, how to reach there and which is the nearest point, everything I'll just put it up during the course of my vlog. So stay tuned, guys, for this is Vicky's vlog, your personal vlogger. So yes, I've started to the Injimedu temple and I'm on my way. I've actually caught the Madurai bypass. So I'm just gonna go via the GST road. The reason being that I have someone to pick up from there. So there's a group that we are going. So I'm en route to there. I'll just catch you back at possibly the first pit stop. And if possible, I'll catch you before that as well, guys. So stay tuned for this. Is Vicky's vlog, your personal vlogger, and pardon the light behind me because I'm traveling on a highway. So let's catch up, folks. Right now, I've actually crossed Perungalattur and I'm headed towards Mamandur, where I'll be having the first pit stop at Manoj Bhavan, hopefully. So I'll just like reach there and I'll catch you guys from that particular spot. After a quick breakfast at the Manoj Bhavan Mamandur, I'm actually starting from here. So this is like a quite good place to have your breakfast. And it's en route to the Injimedu temple. Like it is one of the really good hotels that you have out here. So you can give it a shot. So this is where I took my first pit stop the day and I'm leaving from here. We'll catch you after reaching the temple, guys. Stay tuned. Actually, guys, the end road ride is actually awesome. It's sort of a mini sort of small villages that we go through. Take a drive. It's actually really good. Do take a look at the sceneries that you go through. Take a look when you are traveling, not now. But I'm not going to capture all the sceneries. The lighting is not that great. But I'll just give it a try. I'll give it a try. So from Chennai, right, I am going via Mamandur, Uttaramerur, and then from there I'm going to Vandavasi. And from Vandavasi, this particular temple is like quite at a short distance, I heard. So that's how I'm gonna go. I've actually hired a cab. After reaching there, I'll actually ask the local. Sorry for the hiccups, guys. So actually, after reaching the particular place, I'll ask the locals as to how you can come if you're coming by bus, and I'll like provide the details in the blog as well. Right now I'm actually close to Vandavasi, so this is what actually you get en route to Vandavasi. So this is one of the awesome routes that I have ever come across. So finally I've reached the temple. I'll show you the Rajagopura of this temple. Do take a look, guys. It's seriously awesome. It's a small temple. I'll show you. That is what the Gopuram looks like, guys. It's really awesome from inside. It's gorgeous, right? I also attach a couple of stamps which will give you an idea of the contact number and what is to be done in this temple, like what is the prayers that you can do and what is the offerings that is possible. I'll attach the snaps. Do take a look for it. Will be seriously useful for you. It also has a contact number for this temple. Check it out. After visiting the Injimedu Varadaja Perumal temple, I'm now en route to another temple called the Tennango temple. This is dedicated to Lord Pandurangan. So this is approximately like 45 minutes to 1 hour from the Injimedu temple, and it is actually one of the routes that I go back to Chennai. So I'll just go there check if the temple is open, and I'll continue from there. But even if the temple is closed, I'll be certainly taking a vlog. But I'm not sure if I could take it from inside the temple or I'll be able to view the presiding deity. So I'll continue from there, guys. Stay tuned. After the Injimidi temple, right now I've reached the Tennangur temple. This is dedicated to Lord Vittal or Pandurangan, as we call in the northern side of India. The architecture style actually resembles that of the Puri Jagannath or the Vittal temple that they have. I'll just show you. Around. Take a look. Well, this is the center place where the deity is there. I'm not going to shoot inside of it. I'll just show you the outside of the temple so that it's actually good. This is the center point, guys. I take it from another angle. Hope this is actually interesting for you. I'm not allowed to take the photo of the deity, it seems. So take a visit, guys. You'll find this a bit peaceful out here. So this is actually en route from Injimedi towards Chennai. So you can actually come visit this temple and go. So you start from Chennai by 6 a.m. in the car, go to the Injimedi temple, and after that come here to Tennangur, make a visit, and then you can be back in Chennai by around 3 or 4 p.m. in the evening after your lunch somewhere outside. And if you're coming with us, Vandavasi is the place which connects Tennangur and Injimedi. Vandavasi is the center point. From there you can actually take a car from there, or else you can get the help from the local people to hire something out from there. So I'll just make a quick darshan of the god and I'll be back. With this, guys, I conclude this episode. I believe that you'll find this a bit interesting. Injimedi is something which is totally unexplored side. Hope you find it interesting. I'll just attach the contact for booking a cab in the description, and also the contacts of the temples in the description, and also I'll add the Google Map locations. So please do take a look at the description. In addition to it, right, I have a Facebook page that gives you all the updates. Take a watch at the description space for more details, guys. Welcome back and happy Tamil New Year. Do follow my space for more videos. This is Vicky's vlog, your personal vlog. After this trip, I've actually settled down, guys. That's it. So this is the official end of video. But wait, I have an important announcement, or sort of an info that I need to give. The info is that all my subsequent videos, I am gonna talk for most part of the videos in my native language, which is Tamil. It's not that the full video is not going to be in Tamil, but most of my videos will be in Tamil with English coming in between when I feel that some things needs an expression which is understandable to the rest of the folks as well. So hope you enjoyed this episode of mine. Do stay tuned to my space, Vicky's vlog, your personal vlogger. Stay tuned, folks.